So here we're given this equilateral triangle, and what we're doing is we're connecting the midpoints and then forming another equilateral triangle T2. The key thing here is that when you do that, you end up with 4 congruent equilateral triangles. So that means that T2 would be 1/4 the area of T1. And then if we do this again, connect these midpoints, then this T3 would be 1/4 of T2, this second triangle. And if you keep doing that, it would just be always 1/4. So if the area of the larger equilateral triangle is A, then we have to add 1/4 of A, and then 1/4 of 1/4. And then to get to the fourth one, you would do 1/4 of 1/4 of 1/4. So it would be, you end up with essentially a geometric series. And so it would be just A times 1 plus 1/4, 1/4 square plus 1/4 cube. And you'll see this will converge. And to add this, the summation formula for an infinite geometric series is b over 1 minus r. B is the first term, which is 1 here. R is the common ratio, which is 1/4. So that becomes 4/3. So the area of all of these triangles infinitely added together would just be 4/3 the area of the larger equilateral triangle, which is, using the formula, a square root 3 times 4. That's the formula for a area of an equilateral triangle. So that becomes 24 times 24 root 3 over 3. That's 8. 24 times 8 is 192. So we get 192 root 3, which is choice A. If you don't see this, that this is what's happening, you can even just add the first few. I mean, if you start with that, the area, that area, if you just calculate for the larger equilateral triangle, you'll see that's 24 times 24 root 3 over 4. So that's 144 root 3. Then you will take 1/4 of that, and I think most students would be able to see that. You just divide that by 4. 36, so you have to add 36 root 3. Then you take 1/4 of that. As long as you recognize that, that would be 9 root 3. You take 1/4 of that again, it would be 2.25 root 3. And if you just add these first 4, that's 180, 189, you get to 191.25. And then it starts to drop off considerably. So you know right away these two are out, and this is too far. Answer has to be A. So you can take that approach too with a lot of these geometric series, that adding just the first 4 or 5, especially if they are dropping off very quickly. So to summarize, the answer is A.